Acts 22 verse 3, then Paul said, I am indeed a Jew, born in Tarsus of Cilicia, but brought up in this city at the feet of Gamaliel, taught according to the strictness of our father's law, and was zealous toward God, as you all are today. So Paul was reared in Jerusalem at the feet of Gamaliel, the most famous and revered rabbi of the day. Gamaliel was one of only 7 rabbis to have been given the title of Rabban, the equivalent of a doctor of the law. Gamaliel interpreted the law of Moses strictly and conservatively, and that would have been the view of the law that Paul received. The Pharisees were the most literal interpreters of the law, and as a Pharisee, Paul counted obedience to the law as his highest priority. The Gamaliel connection was important because the crowd Paul was addressing had accused him of saying obedience to the law was unnecessary. Yet it was Paul who wrote in Romans 7:12 that the law is holy and the commandment holy and just and good. Paul was not against the law, his understanding of the law having been fulfilled in Christ in what the Jews didn't understand. Source: the Jeremiah Study Bible. May God bless us